Looking to protect your outdoor essentials and style? The best waterproof deck box offers a perfect blend of durability, storage, and weather resistance. Keep cushions, tools, and garden accessories safe and dry while enhancing your patio's overall look. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Keter Westwood Deck Box. The Keter Westwood Deck Box is a fantastic addition for anyone seeking both storage and seating solutions in their outdoor space. With a 150-gallon storage capacity, this box provides plenty of room for storing patio cushions, pool toys, gardening supplies, or other outdoor essentials, while still doubling as extra seating for 2 adults. What makes it stand out is its durability combined with an attractive design. Crafted from weather-resistant resin, it mimics the look of real wood, but is far more practical, as it won't rust, peel, or dent over time. This makes it low maintenance and long-lasting even in harsh outdoor conditions. The Easy Lift mechanism ensures smooth operation, allowing you to open and close the lid effortlessly and quietly, which is a thoughtful feature for daily use. The lockable design adds an extra layer of security, helping to protect valuable items from theft or unwanted tampering. Beyond storage, the sturdy build gives it versatility as a bench, perfect for accommodating extra guests during gatherings or simply offering a place to relax in the garden. Its neutral color and sleek wood plank appearance allow it to blend seamlessly with a variety of outdoor decor styles, from traditional patios to modern decks. Unlike metal or wooden alternatives, it requires no ongoing maintenance like painting or sealing, saving both time and money in the long run. Number 2. TARKARI Resin Deck Box. The TARKARI Resin Deck Box is an impressive storage solution designed for homeowners with extensive outdoor gear to organize. Measuring 67.72 inches long, 32.2 inches wide, and 33.66 inches high, this large deck box provides a massive 320-gallon capacity, making it one of the largest options available for patios, gardens, or poolside use. It's constructed with high-quality resin material that is waterproof, UV-resistant, anti-fading, and anti-bending, ensuring durability across all weather conditions. Unlike wood or metal alternatives, it resists cracking, rusting, or warping, which makes it particularly appealing for long-term outdoor use. One standout feature is its remarkable weight capacity of 1,000 pounds, meaning the box doubles as additional seating or can even be used as a sturdy table. The thoughtful design also includes handles on each side, making it relatively easy to transport despite its large size. Another advantage is its lockable lid, which ensures that your stored items remain secure, whether you're protecting pool floats, garden tools, or camping supplies. The fact that it requires no assembly tools for installation makes setup straightforward and hassle-free. This box's versatility is one of its strongest selling points. It can function as a patio bench, a storage container, or even a footrest, depending on your needs. Number 3. Easy Up Deck Box. The Easy Up Deck Box offers a premium storage solution with a massive 320-gallon capacity, perfect for homeowners who need substantial space to keep their outdoor areas tidy. Measuring 67.72 inches long by 32.20 inches wide and 33.66 inches high, it provides ample room to store everything from patio cushions and gardening supplies to pool toys and seasonal decorations. Crafted from eco-friendly resin, the box is fully waterproof and UV-resistant, with its durability tested for more than 1,000 hours of sun exposure. This ensures your belongings remain safe from both heavy rains and harsh UV rays. Beyond its size and resilience, the design is reinforced with metal rods and internal supports, allowing the structure to handle up to 1,000 pounds without losing shape. This sturdiness also makes it suitable as an additional seating option in your outdoor space. Another highlight is the hydraulic rod system, which ensures smooth, safe lid operation, an excellent safety feature that prevents pinched fingers while making the box more convenient for everyday use. Its lockable lid adds another layer of protection, allowing you to secure valuable outdoor items. Assembly is quick and straightforward, requiring just 20 minutes with no tools necessary, thanks to its snap-together design. Ergonomic side handles make repositioning the box effortless, even when fully assembled. Number 4. Keter Java Deck Box. The Keter Java Deck Box is an excellent choice for anyone seeking extra-large storage with stylish appeal. With exterior dimensions of 57.5 inches long, 32.67 inches wide, and 33.85 inches high, this box offers a generous 230-gallon capacity, making it suitable for storing bulky items like patio cushions, pool equipment, and garden tools. The interior dimensions provide ample space while still keeping the design compact enough to fit comfortably on patios, decks, or poolside areas. What sets this deck box apart is its attractive rattan-style texture, giving it a more decorative touch compared to plain storage options. Constructed from all-weather resistant resin, the Keter Java resists rust, peeling, and denting, ensuring durability through rain, heat, or humidity. Its polypropylene build guarantees long-term performance without the maintenance typically required by real rattan or wood alternatives. For added convenience, the hydraulic pistons on the lid make opening and closing effortless while ensuring a safe, soft-close action. This prevents loud slams and reduces the risk of injury, especially for families with young children. The lid's lockable design adds security, offering peace of mind when storing valuable outdoor accessories. The sturdy build also allows it to function as a bench, providing additional seating during gatherings, or a quiet place to relax in the garden. Number 5. Decksplore Deck Box. The Decksplore Deck Box combines spacious storage, durability, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for organizing any outdoor living area. Designed to accommodate everything from pool accessories and cushions to gardening tools and sports gear, this box helps keep patios, backyards, and poolside areas clutter-free and organized. Its weather-resistant resin construction ensures that belongings stay dry and protected no matter the season. Unlike wooden or metal storage options, it won't warp, rust, or fade, making it a long-lasting, low-maintenance choice for outdoor use. The wide-opening lid and sturdy hinges allow easy access to stored items, while the large interior offers ample room for even bulky essentials like floats or lounge cushions. One of its most practical features is the lockable lid, providing both security and peace of mind for items left outside. This makes it particularly useful for households that store valuable gear outdoors. The robust design also means it can double as a functional bench or extra seating when needed, offering flexibility during family gatherings or outdoor parties. Its sleek appearance allows it to complement a variety of backyard decor, whether modern or traditional, without looking out of place. The resin construction also makes it easy to clean. A simple rinse or wipe keeps it looking fresh and new. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.